Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Glacier's Bank. Glacier Bank Corp. Incorporated, headquartered in Montana, is a Montana corporation incorporated in 2004. The company offers a wide range of banking products and services, including retail banking, business banking, real estate, commercial, agriculture, and consumer loans. The company serves individuals, small to medium-sized businesses, community organizations, and public entities to log into Glacier Bank. Go to your web browser, type in www.glacierbank.com and enter to log into Glacier Bank account. Click on the login button at the upper right corner of the screen and here use your name, and once you do that, click on the login button. Doing this will take you to a next tab where you can enter your online banking password. In case you forgot the password, click on Reset Password option located right below the Submit button and you'll be able to reset your password that has been forgotten. After you're done entering your credentials, click on the Submit button and just like that, you will be logged in to Glacier Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till